Assalamu alaikum. Today is quite grey and wet in Joburg. The rest of the week is predicted to be much the same. I want to show you a Turkish soup recipe that will leave you feeling warm and nourished. It's really quick, nutritious and simple. Don't be fooled by the simple ingredients. It tastes amazing and it can be taken from its humble base into an extravagant meal. To start, we take our dry red lentils. With the lentils in a large bowl, we top them up with water and rinse them by stirring the lentils in the water. After about 2 minutes, you should have the water turn a starchy off-white. Drain the water and discard any floating lentils. If needed, you can repeat the rinse a second time. Put the rinsed and drained lentils in a large pot and add water in a ratio of 1 part lentils to 4 parts water. To the lentils and water, add half an onion for every cup of lentils you added. The onions can be chopped in 1/8 to make sure they cook through while boiling. On a medium-high heat, bring everything to a boil and allow it to boil for 15 minutes. While it's boiling, we'll prepare the thickener. In a frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter for every cup of lentils and gently melt. Once it starts to melt, add an equal quantity of flour. I use whole wheat flour, but white flour works just as well and probably the more conventional option. Combine the butter and flour into a smooth paste. To get a deep, nutty taste, allow the roux to brown a bit more. Once you've reached the right amount of nuttiness, add 125 ml of chicken stock for every cup of lentils. Use the stock to clean the roux off the bottom of the pan. Before the roux and stock combo boils, add it to the lentils. Using an immersion blender, puree the soup until it's silky smooth. For toppings, I went with Kataif crisps and a drop of my chili mash. The toppings are only limited by your imagination. The most traditional is a wedge of lemon and some chili flakes. You could increase the protein with some Turkish kofte, or some day-old bread turned into garlicky croutons. For me, lemon and chili is a compulsory topping. Enjoy, and assalamu alaikum.